Hello and welcome to a Map Business Online video presentation. We're looking at a business map where I've established some data, some Whole Food store locations that we've gotten from our RealZips partner for data, um, against a zip code map that describes a ratio of high income over low income households by zip code. So the higher income households are the number of people with high income, $70,000 and up, over the number of people with lower incomes, say 69,000 and lower. So that's just sort of a dividing point, some sort of point of reference. I did calculated data columns in order to show that by zip code. And I'm just going to import another set of stores here, going through that process just to talk a little bit about visualization and how we import data. And in this case, it's just business locations for Walmart. We make sure everything's falling into place, and then we decide, what we want to label things as, and other information that we might want to include in our fields within the label. So I have up to 5 different labels I can use here. So I won't spend too much time worrying about that. I'm just going to plot that on the map. So the Walmart store locations are going to come in all across the country. They're immediately on the map. And then I'm going to think about how I want to visualize those. And I had already decided with the Whole Food stores to use sort of a a triangle, and then make that, a little bit smaller. So now when we look at the Whole Food stores in the green triangles and the Walmart stores in the black triangles, we get a real sense when we're drilled into New England of what that income looks like behind those stores. So you can see the ratio is less than 1 in these blue areas. And then as I get into yellow, it starts to increase above 1. So I've got more income. But where the real income is in the pink areas and the red areas, which we don't have any red in this particular space, but we do have a high income ratio there. That's a little north of Boston, probably the Lowell area. And then we've got a Whole Foods there. So they're tapping into the higher income areas, and you can kind of see that as we look at this. And then the Walmart areas tend to be more rural. So what do we take from that? I don't know yet. We're kind of looking at that. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial.